Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss some important questions of political science. So let's start our video. Our first question is, in the Constitution of India, the term federal appears in options are the preamble, part 3 of the Constitution, Article 368, none of the above. So the right answer is option D, none of the above. In the Constitution of India, the term federal appears in the part 1 of the Constitution. The preamble is a brief introduction of the Constitution. It states about the people of India having solemnly into sovereignty, democracy, justice, liberty, equality, etc. Part 3 Constitution deals with fundamental rights. Article 12 to 35. Article 368 is for provision of amendment in Constitution. So the right answer of this question is option D, none of the above. Second question is, Indian federal structure is inspired by which model of the countries given below? Options are USA, Canada, Switzerland, UK. So the right answer is of this question is option B, Canada. Federal structure of government in India Constitution is taken from Canadian Constitution. Charter of Fundamental Rights, Power of Judicial Review and Independence of Judiciary, Written Constitution and Preamble are taken from USA. Fundamental duties and 5-year planning are taken from Russia. Okay. Next question is, India has borrowed the concept of fundamental rights from the Constitution of. Options are UK, USA, Russia, Ireland. Right answer is option B, USA. The concept of fundamental rights is borrowed from USA. Directive principles of state policy, method of election of the president, nomination of members in the Rajya Sabha by the president are taken from Irish Constitution. Okay, next question is, the phrase equality before law used in Article 14 of Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of. Options are Britain, USA, France, Canada. Right answer is option A, Britain. The phrase equality before law of Indian Constitution has been borrowed from Britain. The term republic and the idea of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble was borrowed from Constitution of France. Okay. Next question is, the source of the basic structure theory of the Constitution of India is. Options are the Constitution, opinion of jurists, indicial interpretation, parliamentary stat. Right answer is option B, opinion of jurist. Any article can be amended under Article 368, which means the amended challenged on the grounds of fact. The Supreme Court recognized interpretation is the basic structure of Constitution. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? Options are written constitution, federalism, sovereignty of parliament, judicial review. Right answer is option C, sovereignty of parliament. Sovereignty of parliament is not a feature of Indian Constitution. Judicial review refers to the power of judiciary to interpret the constitution and law or order of the legislature and executive void. Next question is, Indian Constitution is. Options are federal, unitary, quasi-federal, presidential. Right answer is option A, federal. Option A, federal. Indian Constitution is federal. And what is quasi-federal? So quasi-federal refers to a government formed similar to union of states under a central government rather than the individual government of the separate state. Next question is, which of the following is not a part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution? Options are rule of law, secularism, republican form the government, parliamentary form of government. So the right answer is option C, republican form of government. Republican form of government is not a part of the basic structure of Indian Constitution. India is a democratic republic country. Parliamentary form of government means Prime Minister is the head of the Council of Ministers. Last question is, Indian Constitution is, options are rigid, flexible, neither rigid nor flexible, partly rigid and partly flexible. Right answer is option C, neither rigid nor flexible. Indian Constitution is neither rigid nor flexible. Okay. These are our 10 questions. If you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and Jai Hind.